morning everybody. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of my latest diamond painting that has arrived. Postie's just delivered it. This one has actually come from Paint with Diamonds, and it is, if it's the one I'm expecting, which it should be a sewing machine one. So I'm just opening it up now to make sure that I've got everything in there. Yes, it is the sewing machine one. So it's come completely boxed. The box was a little bit damaged in the post, but that can't be helped. It's just something that happens. This is the first one that I've received from Paint with Diamonds, but I've had other friends that have received lots of them, and they've always had good things to say about this particular company. They deal in nothing but the diamond paintings. So it is, as you can see here, it is a little sewing machine, and it says Sewing Mends the Soul. So I'm just going to open that up and have a look at the paper and make sure that everything is listed there. So far so good, and it comes with its little toolbox. So what I'll do with this canvas is actually sit it underneath my cutting board for a couple of days before I start it, and that will flatten it out really well. Okay, so it's come with some extra baggies, which are always handy. Actually quite a few. That is actually a really good amount of little bags. It's come with the paper. I love the paper because it tells me everything that it should have in it. It's just a very basic one, so it's got your symbols down the side, the colour, how many drills there are, and how many bags of each one there is. So I will, off camera, I will count them later, but so far it looks like everything is there. We've got a tray, we've got a applicator, and this one is actually got the end that holds about six to seven drills at a time. It is a square drill, and you can see there all the colours. They're all neatly packed, which is really good. I love that about this company. From what I've seen from other people that have sent me pictures as well, they're always really neatly packed, and everything is always in there. And if there's not, you can actually just email them and they will actually send you out what is missing. So basically what I'm going to do now is I'll put the canvas underneath the cutting board that you can see in shot right now, and I will start this in a couple of days and you'll get to see the progress. But I'm really happy with everything that I've got. The tweezers are there, there's enough putty, more than enough for a canvas this size, and yeah, so I'm really excited to get started on that. And also I got some storage containers to make it a little bit easier for myself. So I got these from a cheap shop, and there's 24 little cases in it, and they're just like a little lip gloss case, but they screw on and off, and they basically just stack in there. So I'll be able to label them all up and put all my diamonds in there, and then I'll be ready to go. So I hope you like this unboxing, and if you really like the design that I'm going to be doing, I'll link it up down below. There's an affiliate link down there, and it is the little sewing machine that you can see just here, and it says Sewing Mends the Soul, and that's going to be perfect for in my sewing room. So I hope you like this little review today, and I will get stuck into it and you will be able to see the progress of it. Thanks very much for joining me. My name's Nicole Reed from Darvanalee Design Studio, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now.